Greetings everyone, this is Danny from hartravel.com, your Virgin Voyages experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Scarlet Lady. Now this particular suite is a cheeky corner suite. It's in the very aft of the ship, my personal favorite location. It's got an incredible sea terrace outside, and we're going to show you every part of the suite. Before we do, keep in mind when you're ready to book your next Virgin Voyage, make sure you do it right on hartravel.com. You can take advantage of our interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, or your group. Get it at an incredible value and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now this particular suite is a Rockstar category suite. They also have Mega Rockstar that's a little bit bigger and have a few more amenities. You can check those out on the channel in addition to the full ship tour as well. Now, as soon as you walk in the space here, you're gonna have all of your storage right here. So you've got closets all along. You're gonna have hanging storage. You've got storage down below and then up above as well. And then right in here, you're gonna find your safe. It is big enough for a laptop and your personal belongings, and a ton of storage up and down right here. Now your Rockstar experience is going to start before you arrive. You're going to have priority access to reservations, and then you're going to have a Rockstar agent here on board that's going to take care of every one of your needs throughout the entire voyage. Now when you arrive, you're going to have a mini bar set up. I'll take you over there in just a second. Right here you see the water. They're going to refresh those throughout the time here. They've got sparkling and still that they can refill for you whenever you'd like. Now this is your vanity. You've got a chair underneath there, floor to ceiling mirror. It's backlit so you can use it to get ready before you head out. I love that they have plugs there. You can use it for charging, and then also with the soft close touch, you got your hair dryer just inside. Now to my right, you're gonna find the bathroom. You got the toilet tucked in the corner. You have a huge vanity here. You can see that beautiful floor to ceiling Carrara marble. Got a little bit of storage underneath here. And then you're gonna have those Rockstar robes and slippers that you can utilize throughout your stay. Now the shower is just through here. I'm a really big guy, I'm 6'6". I love that I can fit in here. There's a huge rainforest shower head up above. You've got the shower wand and a really nice bench seat with more of that beautiful marble. Now let's head into the main part of the room. You've got a nice large king size bed right here. You can really see that mega yacht theme of design that they have going on. You've got the beautiful headboard, and then you're gonna have US plug and USB chargers on either side. You've got quite a bit of storage underneath. And then you've got the nightstands. Now directly across, you're gonna find a large flat panel TV. It's interactive, you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television, and you're gonna have your own tablet just over here. You can utilize it to basically curate all the light settings in here. You can set the mood. You can also control all the other features and watch television. So you can stream directly from there up to the TV. They have a really large collection for you to choose from. Now tucked in the corner here, you're gonna see that mini bar. You're gonna get a complimentary mini bar setup upon arrival, mini fridge just underneath, and you're gonna have a record player. It's one of those sweet signatures here. You've got a collection of vinyl to choose from, or you could head down to the vinyl shop and pick out your own and take it home with you. Now tucked in the corner here, you're gonna have a couch. You've got a nice table there, perfect to take advantage of that room service menu. And then I did wanna point out that there is a connecting door in this particular one where it heads through to a sea terrace balcony. Now make sure that you check that out on the Harr Travel website when you book. You can see exactly what you're looking for with the interactive deck plans. Now let's head out to my personal favorite part of the suite, the incredible aft sea terrace. Now you can see out here you have a massive amount of space. You've got a couch over in the corner. You're gonna have two large loungers right here. You also have a table in the middle. It's that perfect place to have a nice cup of coffee in the morning, a cocktail in the evening, or take advantage of that expansive room service menu. Now keep in mind, as a suite guest, you're also gonna have access to Richard's Rooftop. It's a private club here on the ship. In addition to that, you're also gonna have a private VIP area at Bimini, their private island experience. Now I wanted to point out you have a huge space looking aft, but it actually wraps around here. That's what makes it a corner suite, so you get those side views as well. You're also gonna find one of these signature hammocks that they have on every single sea terrace. I love that it's so comfy. It's a perfect place to sit, swing, relax, check out the incredible views, get that fresh air, and really enjoy everything that being at sea is all about. Now, when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any room or suite on Virgin Voyages, make sure you do it right on the Harr Travel website. You can take advantage of the interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, or your group. You'll get it at an incredible value and get that Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.